So tonight we're gonna try the P.F. Chang's beef and broccoli. Okay, so for our P.F. Chang's beef with broccoli, put a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil and let it get to medium heat, and then just pour cornstarch. Now we're gonna let it sit on medium heat for 4 minutes. And I also have my rice over here, jasmine rice. It's just BJ's brand, really good. Comes 8 pounds, it's a little bit really lasted almost a year. Put a cup of the rice, 2 cups of water, and just wait till it boils. 2 more minutes on this. And then it cooks without the top for another 4 to 6 minutes. Super easy. Stay tuned. So the timer went off. So the cover came off of this. Now it goes on for 6 to 7 minutes. I set the timer for 7. The rice started boiling, so I reduced it to a low temperature and had to uncover it because it was like boiling over. So it's supposed to simmer for 10 minutes. So on the clock for this, which is now a little over 6 minutes, when that goes off, I'll set it for another 2 minutes for that, and then should be good to go. A little Asian meal. It's super easy to make in less than 20 minutes. There's the nutrition value, 620 calories for the whole thing. Cook times, cook instructions. Yeah, sorry guys. Super easy. Smells so good, y'all. Another 3 minutes and 22 seconds on the meat to cook, and then I'll let it sit for a little. A really bad habit of going over here. Stir. Sorry. And once that's done, the rice will have 2 to 3 more minutes cooking, and then I'll remove it from the heat, let it stand for 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready. Here's our finished product.
It's very, very sad. It kind of looks gross, but it's good.
Baby likes it. Look at those boobies, though.
Stop.
Skittles, want some?
Always.
And I think it's okay.
I think it's good.
But it's a little bit too salty.
No, it's not salty.
It's salty.
I like it.
We cut it.
It's not as sweet as the one at the restaurant, though.
We cut it with rice, which makes it less salty, but it's still salty.
Right.
Skittles. Can't wait to eat it. She's not getting it. So we got a box of Japanese or Chinese?
I don't know. Candy.
I think it's Japanese candies.
I feel like it was a lot of money and it didn't really give anything.
How much did you pay for it? Shame, Bendel says. Shame.
Oh, but look, it came with a sticker. Japanese.
Japanese candy.
Japanese candy. Okay, maybe it was a lot.
So what do we have here?
These are the nasty thingies that
Some kind of French fry, fried potato.
That's some? Oh, it says it in English? This is Morokoshiwa?
Amazing?
I don't know, it just says Morokoshiwa. Wow, Morokoshiwa.
Not sure what this is, but it looks like some kind of sour cream and...
Fried potatoes?
They're not all candies, or...
I don't know.
It looks like vegetable chips. Like those... Look, these are vegetable chips.
Oh, this is a cookie.
It looks like birth control, but it's not.
I think this is gum. Just a pick me. Oh, this
You want one, B?
Ew, this one's some kind of calcified sugary cider. It's a cider. There's a lollipop. A pop of lollipop.
Looks like an
Orange.
Oreo.
Here.
Aji curry.
Angry corn. Oh, it's corn emoji. I wonder if they wonder if they have this.
We're not eating it tonight. We have to save
Shh,
them
yes,
to
we
eat
are.
them.
Oh, have you ever had these? These taste really good cold.
I don't
though.
like those.
Those taste really good.
We
cold.
had those growing up. It's a Cuban thing, I feel like.
It is. This looks like peanut jelly.
They sell it in the grocery store. It's
Alright.
just butchered in games.
No more we're looking at it. The rest will come in time. This looks like a 2-part video though, baby.
This is a two-part video. I'm just giving them a little preview after our.
That's it.
PF
Preview's
Chang.
over. Over.
Ooh, look at that. Preview's over.
Okay, fine.
Stay
wait.
tuned.
Oh wait! This one it has a little toothpick so you can pick it out.
That's cute, though.
I think it's gum. Like weird cookies. I like.
Okay.
Oh wait!
To be continued.
Marshmallow.
To be continued.
Oh wait, careful.